Hello, everyone. Welcome to the next episode of The Royal Show. Finally, after a big break, we are back. Robbie was away. बहुत सारी चीजें थी. फिर आपको पता है what all happened in Dubai. So finally, we've been able to put things together for the next episode. आज हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है, जेमी ऑल्टर, a famous cricket writer, journalist, and also a podcaster. So we just thought कि एक बार हम आज थोड़ा डिफरेंट करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ड्रिल डाउन करेंगे उनके पास के साथ, how he got connected with cricket, where cricket, Indian cricket for that matter, is today and where we see this going in future. बीच में कोशिश करेंगे थोड़ा बहुत आईपीएल भी टच करें, सब चीज़ें करें, तो ओवरऑल फ्लो ये रहेगा. तो वेलकम टू द शो जेंटलमैन. कैसा
तुम
लग
इतना
रहा है अभी?
स्टूडियस है ना दीपक कि यार पहले सबको मतलब सब प्लान वैन करके यार ऑडियंस को मतलब तुम बता दोगे कि यार इस शो में ये होने वाला है. ठीक है, तुम प्रॉपर मतलब टीचर हो. प्रॉपर.
So I've been their teacher for almost 15 years in my life, तो वो तो फिर रहेगा.
Wow.
दीपक
लेक्चर
I was
सर.
स्टार्ट
never
होते
good
ही
in school, so when I hear the word teacher, वो थोड़ी मेरी फट जाती है. But thank you guys for having me, Robin and
Yeah,
Deepak.
no, this is I think it was a little due, Jamie. हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि यार इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटीज को लेकर आएंगे हमारे शो पर और बातचीत करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स जो हैं उनकी उनकी भी एक हिस्ट्री है, उनका भी एक पास्ट है, एंड दे आल्सो कम फ्रॉम देयर इज अ सर्टेन स्टोरी. तो वो हीरो स्टोरी को थोड़ा बाहर लेकर आना हमें हमें भी लगता है कि यार इम्पोर्टेंट है.
एग्जैक्टली.
Because I think everyone's a hero of their own story, right? And to
Hmm.
understand, you know, the passion. तुम बहुत passionately बात करते हो क्रिकेट के बारे में. तो it'd be lovely to know, like, you know, where that comes from.
Yeah, I
यस.
mean it goes back to growing up under the roof and sharing a roof with a personality. My father, I mean, I'll have to say he was a personality. Mr. Tom Alter, for those who
Hmm.
don't know. People यहाँ पे India में obviously they remember him for his 40 year old acting career, but not many know that he was a sports nut. Like not just cricket, of course. Taking that first interview of Sachin when he was barely 15 in 88 or 89. That's sort of every year on Sachin's birthday. It gets shared and it goes viral.
Yes.
But beyond that, there was actually, in his own words, there was a failed cricketer while he was studying at the Film and Television Institute in Pune. He was called for the open trials for the Maharashtra team. And I don't know the gentleman's name, but whoever the coach said was, apparently he used to bowl like Jeff Thompson, that whole action from
Hmm.
from behind. So I'm just giving you the idea of the guy was obsessed with not just cricket but with sports. So every Sunday, um, my mom was no Sundays for going to church. My father was like balls. Sundays we're going to play cricket. So initially, my mom she won those battles. But probably by the time I was like 7 or 8, my dad started to win those. तो हमें एक बहाना मिल गया. अब church कौन जाएगा? दूसरी church हमारी वहाँ बन रही है. So just hearing stories, and as I said, not just cricket. Like my father, like his scrapbooks from when he was a kid growing up in North India. And back then, though, Sports Illustrated, yeah, Illustrated Weekly of Sport, all those good magazines, they would come by ship, like once or 2 years. So you imagine the sports nut kid. He thinks he's seeing like last week's news. This was actually 2 years ago because in the
Wow.
in the f- in the 50s and 60s things took a long. So I'm just saying, hearing these stories, scrapbooks, almanacs, wisdom almanacs, grainy VHS clips, Graham Pollock playing for whichever was it Warwickshire or whichever county he played for, Viv Richards, my dad's hero, M.A.K. Pataudi, Gavaskar, Kapil Dev. Hearing all these stories, it was inevitable that I'd be drawn towards cricket. But very few, and we have one such gentleman on our screen, very few can actually get to where they want to go. So हम उस ग्रुप में आते हैं कहा हम भी खेलेंगे बहुत जल्दी मालूम हो कि भाई तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. So what's the next best thing we can do? Is there a way to get paid to write and talk about cricket? Well, as it turns out, there was a way. It took me a little bit longer to find that way, but once I finally did in 2005 at the age of 24, I have never been happier. Yeah.
अमेजिंग यार, सो कूल, सो कूल। क्या तुम्हारे
Brilliant.
पास अभी भी वो VHS क्लिप्स है, वो VHS कैसेट्स है?
I believe somewhere in our Mumbai flat, my mom has kept them in a box somewhere. I want to get them. I have some here, but I don't have the strength to actually sit down and go through them because that's going to be like an emotional roller coaster. If I ever do, I will try to get them digitized and I'll try and put them up because
Yes,
I
please.
Bats. I remember there was a series by the BBC called Bats, Balls, and Bouncers. And in the 80s, I'm talking about. So someone would come through the UK and they'd bring a copy for my father. So I remember there was one Graham Hick before he became the Graham Hick we all knew. I think it was Zimbabwe se aaye the. So there's this
Yes.
video. I think it was Michael Holding's voice talking about okay, this young new maverick on the scene. So I think I probably heard in India at least. I might be one of the few ones who heard about Graham before the wider Indian audience heard about Graham only because we had a couple of those tapes of bats, balls, and bouncers.
And the kind of
यार
first
प्लीज
class
उसको
career he
डिजिटाइज
had.
कर दो यार,
मैं
प्लीज।
कोशिश करूंगा.
कोशिश मत करना प्लीज, जरूर करना, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज ना हाथ में मिलना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल है। लाइक
हाँ,
यू
हाँ, हाँ.
इट वुड बी रेमिस इफ यू एक्चुअली डिडंट डू इट। मेरे हिसाब से आपको करना
I will
चाहिए
do
यार
it.
जेवी,
I will do it.
प्लीज डू
I will
इट।
do it. पक्का,
और हमें
पक्का.
भी दिखा देना थोड़ा क्लिप्स उससे,
बिल्कुल,
Ex-
बिल्कुल,
इट बी
बिल्कुल,
सो
बिल्कुल.
नाइस टू सी दोस क्लिप्स यार। मैं आई स्टिल रिमेंबर व्हेन आई यू नो like I saw this on the internet, but when the Bodyline series came, was televised on Star Sports. Oh my God! Like we would like wait for those days to come. I think it's come on Thursdays or something, one particular day.
yes. Thursday
Every
रात को आता था.
Yeah.
so and then you'd wait for those. So we always had a dearth of this kind of content, ना? हमारे देश में, at least इंडिया में, ये वाले content मिलना मुश्किल था। ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मिल जाती थी, इंग्लैंड से मिल जाती थी, पर यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ नहीं नहीं मिलता था। तो एवरी टाइम अ सीरीज केम अप इज ऑलवेज एक्साइटिंग। तो स्पेशली व्हेन आई थिंक इनिशियली जब ESPN आया था इंडिया में, so it was a really exciting times because they had predominantly a lot of the rights for a lot of this stuff.
Correct.
So you knew that ki, yaar, you'd get hold of this stuff and you'll watch it, and you could get to watch some stuff from the past and know the history of the game. I think हमारे देश में ना the history of the game बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि हमारा history itself, right? I was telling Sunny sir, I was telling sir, now you're like the grand old man of Indian cricket. Like we have to, like, please can we do like a long form podcast where you can just document your life, just talk about your life from your pre-teens to your teens to your late teens to your early 20s. Like we go through every decade, there'll be like so many stories, right? And you want to hear all of those stories. I want to hear all of those stories.
Yeah. No, I'm sure. Yeah. And I'm sure in your commentary time, he's given you hints of these stories because that man, forget the what he achieved on the field. When he starts going, oh, the story is amazing.
Oh,
So
beautiful.
I hope you can sort of coerce him to do a show as well, Robin.
Yeah, at some
Yes.
point. I
We
think
have.
so. Yeah,
Yeah.
In fact,
we
IPL
बोलो।
में सोचा है, रॉबिन को रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि अगर उनके साथ एक वॉच अलोंग हो जाए तो व्हाई नॉट, लाइक
देखते हैं, वे ऐसे कोशिश कर रहे हैं। स्केड्यूल आना है हमारे हमारे देश में, हम सब चीज़ थोड़ा लास्ट मिनट में होता है, तो प्लान करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार, बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है, आसान नहीं होता।
so just before the show also, like I was asking Jamie that his journey also started with 96 World Cup. I think Robbie आपका भी almost similar ही था. 96 World Cup was your first major World Cup. 92 में तो बहुत छोटी हो गए रेवली.
नहीं यार,
तो
92 में तो मैं 6 साल का था, तो आई वुडंट से टू यंग। याद है, मैं क्या करता था, मैंने अजय जडेजा का कैच देख लिया था, और
Border.
एलन बॉर्डर का भाग के आगे आके डाइव करके लेना। I literally started copying that in front of our house. So I would throw the ball on the wall on top, and I'd come plastic ball and I'd catch it and I'd roll it. Literally learn to roll on
Wow.
concrete in front of my house. So
उसके बाद
it
तो
was
अच्छी खासी पिटाई भी होती होगी.
नहीं. So it was a lot of fun. So
Wow.
92 was my first World Cup. It was extremely memorable. But that's when I saw Sachin for the first time. I was like, who is this guy? He was good looking, curly hair, bat, like, you could feel like that bat is heavy in his hands, and just the way he played, just the aggressive nature in which he played, बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया देखने को. तो you just felt कि यार, and for me it was always from then, it was like I want to bat like Sachin. I want to bat like Sachin. You know,
And then you
it
ended
stuck
up
with me.
batting with him, bro. Matlab, just imagine.
Yeah.
Arey,
Shit.
that is credit to Paji's longevity, yeah. You know,
Yep.
to start at 89 and to play till 2014, like greatest, like
And
greatest
that
Indian cricketer.
and that we always talk about like 98 being his peak year for so many reasons, but look at 2010, exactly what Robin's saying. Look at 2010. Many people had said he
Exactly.
won't be playing in 2010, but for me personally, if there's any year that comes close and maybe at some level surpasses the way that Sachin batted in 98, the whole 2010 tha, and not just because he got the double under and all, but just in
Hmm.
test cricket to come back, the tennis elbow and all that jazz. I think there's peak 98 and peak 2010. So wow,
And
wow.
Yeah.
that's a very good reference because the way he played in South Africa also at the end of 2010, peak Dale
Exactly.
Steyn, all those surfaces, those 200s, brilliant. I think like clearly the third test match 100 was something very special because Dale Steyn was breathing fire
Yeah.
at that time. Like I think one of the best spells I've seen him bowl, or I think Sachin hi the who could have actually stood
Uh,
that kind of a
Yeah.
spell. So
100%.
Genius.
Seriously,
100%.
seriously. And clearly coming back to that 1989 interview also, तो आपके पास उसका clipping है पूरा video because we just see
नहीं
small snippets
नहीं
of
है,
it
मैं
every
बता
year.
रहा हूँ, वो VHS बॉक्सेस
नहीं
में है.
नहीं वो it my father ruffled a lot of figures, sorry, a lot of feathers at the company which commissioned that. I won't get into all that. And I remember like up until about the late 90s, he would literally like call them on the landline and say, yaar, mujhe ek copy de do. But many factors, no point talking about it here. It's all in the past. Many factors conspired that nobody, not Ayaz Memon, who was with my father, they're working together. He never got a copy, and my father never got a copy.
Strange.
It's so what you have seen and the viewers have seen on YouTube is actually, I don't know, maybe like not even 1/5 of the interview. It was a proper, like probably
Oh,
like a 15-minute interview,
Who's
and
the
I have vivid
broadcaster,
memories.
Jamie?
It was made for midday at the time. It was aired on DD, but Mr. Khalid Ansari and the team at midday was a bit ahead of the times. They wanted to sort of do these kind of shows before anyone was really thinking about them, And
Hmm.
so they did a few. I think they did PT Usha, they did Prakash Padukone, a few others. When it came to cricket, my dad and Ayaz, that time Mr. Gavaskar had just retired, so he was with PMG and he was doing things with Midday, I believe. So he was so they gone to meet him and sort of not for an interview, just to sort of chew his brains because they all knew each other pretty well. So he said, if you want to do a story about a guy who's going to play for India for the next 20 years, there's this boy called Sachin Tendulkar. Now, both of these people had heard his name, but actually it was Mr. Gavaskar who got the ball rolling. So it still stands as the first video interview that Sachin gave. लेकिन अफसोस की बात है कि वो दो तीन clips के अलावा we, and I'm not making up, we actually don't have a copy of that video.
just
Let's
imagine.
yeah, come on, yeah. Let's do one.
Social media push
Let's make a push for this thing. Like, come on.
campaign.
I think at the end of the day, at least like it has to come. You all should at least have one copy of it. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Because that's like, and to be honest, the fire in his eyes, even at that age, was something which was remarkable in that interview. And to get a full piece of it, बहुत major चीज होगी और बहुत strange चीज है कि वो interview है ही नहीं किसी के पास. So
नहीं, मिड डे के पास हो सकता है वो. मिड डे मतलब टाइम्स
उनके
ग्रुप ना,
पास
उनके पास
उनके
हो
पास
सकता
है
है.
उनके पास है but I mean again I've never actively pursued it, but
तो
perhaps if I do
कोशिश तो कर भाई.
try. हाँ नहीं, but I saw my dad, like he would weep like मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है ये. So I said, you know what, okay, if he's not getting it, but yes, I should probably actively
हाँ,
pursue it someday.
yeah,
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
Good.
amazing. So
Yeah, it'd be so cool to get that.
No, and he was, I mean, for years he
here
would say,
Sachin के बदले
मैंने 300
and
फिल्में की है, but एक जो मैंने वो किया, sorry, एक जो मैंने किया था interview, that's like one of the happiest moments of my life. So yeah.
and I could see that Big Brother aura था उसमें Tom उनका, and the way he was asking कि अगर West Indies में जाते तो
जी.
सबको डर था you could have got hit. तो Sachin says very boldly, अगर मैं हिट होता तो मैं जल्दी सीखता. That stands out, that particular line कि अगर मुझे लगती तो मैं जल्दी सीखता. So
Yeah.
that particular instance stays. So
Baji was so
brilliant.
sharp, man.
Yes.
At 15, at 15,
And 15,
imagine
if you could actually
15.
come up with such a statement कि अगर मुझे लगती वेस्ट इंडीज बॉलर से तो मैं जल्दी सीखता. And then he got hit. He kept his word. जब वकार की बॉल लगी तो he actually improved as a batter from there onwards. So just imagine. It's not like that he just said it. He actually meant it. So amazing. So coming back to 96, 92 आपने बात किया. 96 World Cup you said was the pivotal moment from where the cricket really started happening for you. So any fun memories of that? कैसा रहा वहां पे? क्योंकि आई एम वेरी श्योर रॉबी आपने भी बहुत सीरियसली देखा होगा. मैंने पहला वर्ल्ड कप वहीं से देखा था 92 में. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था क्रिकेट के बारे में. एंड दैट्स द रीजन यू एंडेड अप बिकमिंग अ क्रिकेटर बिकॉज़ यू स्टार्टेड सो अर्ली. आपका वो
Not really
ऑब्जर्वेशन
यार,
और
वैसे
विजन
कुछ
था.
नहीं है. मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप लोग एक्चुअली डिस्काउंट करते हो डेस्टिनी को यार. डेस्टिनी plays a big part. Like I think a lot of people are passionate about it, you know, and a lot of people work really hard. But it's a few that are actually destined for it sometimes. And it actually works. There are some people who don't even try and it just works for them, yeah. It's proof that, you know, you have to work hard. You need to have a great work ethic. You can maximize your potential of you know, of achieving whatever goals you want to achieve अगर आप aligned हो आपकी destiny के साथ. मतलब like for me, one person that मैं देखता हूँ जिन्होंने maximize किया है, like guys like MS, guys like Rahul Dravid, guys like Rohit Sharma, Virat. All of these people are guys who are maximizing, you know, who maximize their, you know, their destinies, so to speak, right? Because they got involved and they kind of double down on their abilities and their talents and their disciplines and all of that. And some people who work extremely hard पर मिलता नहीं है. So one of those guys who've actually received it right now is Sanju, which is really cool to see, right? You like मेहनत तो बहुत करता है, कोशिश बहुत करता था, opportunities नहीं मिलती थी. Then eventually it feels like उसका जो मेहनत करा है उसने validation तो मिल गया at the end of the day. Like he drove India to a World Cup winning, you know, campaign, which is phenomenal for him, even for a guy like him.
No, exactly. And just having been through so much, what I think 2014 में उनका debut हुआ था. Yes, he never, I mean, took the longest time for various coaches and team management to figure out कि इस बंदे का best role कहाँ पे है. But probably equally with a lot of chances, we all knew the talent was there, but so many factors went against him, some of his own doing. But you look back, you know, and it's barely been what 12 days, almost 2 weeks since that final. What Sanju Samson did in effectively what three knockout games, because that was a virtual quarterfinal. Even the Zimbabwe match, all said and done, was a must win. And Abhishek failed there. He got 24 off 15 balls. You can argue that he sort of gave the team the push.
The
अब कोई
impetus.
अगले हफ्ते जाके स्कोर कार्ड देखा, अरे इसने सिर्फ 24 मारे, but that 24 was very important. But उसके आगे you look at 97 not out and two scores of 89. There are bigger cricketers in India's history who have never had three knockout match performances like that, you know. So having
No
having
one.
watched him, having watched
No
him
one, I
closely
think.
and backed him many, let's hope that we go on to see the Sanju that so many of us know is in there, and let's hope it doesn't go off again, because to do that, I mean, wow, amazing.
तो संजू को ना मेरे हिसाब से ये वाला जो गेम था, हमने जो एक्सपीरियंस करा है पिछले 3 मैचों में जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड कप उसने जिताया था,
हाँ.
मतलब played a pivotal role, right, along with Bumrah. For me, I think that is a part of Sanju that we've all seen that he's had. Because अगर वो पार्ट नहीं होती ना, तो वो मेहनत, वो डेडिकेशन, वो जो जिस तरीके से वो उसका वर्क एथिक है, वो नहीं होता. There's no chance of having that. So if you are able to do उस लेवल का डीप वर्क ना, तो you actually know that you can slow things down. और वो एक चीज, मतलब वो intentionally नहीं कर रहा था. Like बिना, मतलब अगर हो गया during the course of a game हो गया, but it is the first time I think we've all experienced as viewers and supporters of Indian cricket and Sanju and the ability and the talent and potential जो वो possess करता है, कि उसने control किया अपने आप को उसने पेस किया अपने आप को, उसने उसका टेम्पो जो है उस तीनों इनिंग्स में, he controlled the tempo from the word go till he ended. He hit the balls that he wanted to hit. He took singles when he wanted to take singles. Like he picked everything that he did. So this
Exactly.
is an ability that we all saw. Like growing up, watching him grow up and working with him, or watching him and playing with him, we all recognize कि यार ये ability है. It wasn't like कि यार ये ability नहीं है. Some people don't have the ability.
अरे वो
पर इसके पास वो
क्लासिकल
potential
एग्जांपल
था.
तो Adil Rashid के अगेंस्ट ही था because he knew that matchup is not in his favor, so he was blocking him and just taking singles. Just एक boundary मारा पूरा उस knock में. That clearly showed कि he clearly knew what, and even with Matt Henry that opening over in the finals, so he knew कि मेरे matchups क्या है and everything. And mid of December, Robbie and me were discussing off screen, and he was saying कि अगर मुझे आज मौका मिले तो मैं जीजी भाई के पास जाके बोलूंगा कि भाई संजू से ओपन करवाओ. that वो एनर्जी बहुत अलग है. I think we had this discussion and then it actually happened.
मेरे को
So we
बहुत लोग
played-
ट्रोल भी किए थे Twitter
मुझे याद है we did
वो
we
तो-
did this
अभी भी कर रहे हैं. अभी मैं हाल ही में किसी ने पूछा, वैभव के बारे में पूछा मुझे, सूर्यवंशी के बारे में, और मैं कह रहा था कि मैं बहुत पसंद करता हूँ उसको. आई थिंक इज अ फिनोमिनल टैलेंट. पर जितना भी मैचेस मैंने देखे हैं उसको खेलते हुए, अंडर 19 के लेवल में, ए क्रिकेट के लेवल में, जहाँ पे भी वो डोमिनेट कर रहा है, ही इज हैड थोड़ा सा लक, ठीक है, एंड वो लक इम्पॉर्टेंट है हर प्लेयर के लिए. पर मुझे लगता है कि जब वो, क्योंकि लास्ट आईपीएल में वो अननोन एंटिटी था, तो किसी को पता नहीं था. इस साल उसका इतने सारे वीडियोस एनालिस्ट के पास होंगे कि उनको पता रहेगा कि यार इसको डालना कहाँ पे है. तो उसका सेकंड सीजन जो है, मेरे हिसाब से it won't be make or break, but मेरे हिसाब से it will be like generally the second season blues is a very real thing for batters. ठीक है, तो वो होना, मतलब वो होना हो जाना एक्चुअली मुमकिन है. But if he stays on top of it, if he's going to be disciplined, he'll still be very successful. But like this will teach him. अच्छी बात ये है कि वो बहुत यंग है, ठीक है. अगर वो 14 का है या 16 का है या 17 का है, he's still very young. तो वो सीख सकता है, right? So मेरे हिसाब से, like I said that I feel like bowlers will have a much better idea when they go up against him इस IPL में. It won't be like उनको पता नहीं है कि ये रन कहाँ पे बनाता है, चलाता क्या है, क्योंकि चलाता है बहुत ना, पहले बॉल से वो चलाता है. तो दे एंड ही प्लेज द स्पिनर्स एक्सेप्शनली वेल. तो क्या टीम्स स्पिनर्स ज्यादा खिलाएंगे इसके खिलाफ या फास्ट बॉलर्स को ही खिलाएंगे? टारगेट कहाँ पे करेंगे? यू सी हिम एजिंग अ लॉट एंड द बॉल गोइंग ओवर थर्ड मैन अ लॉट. तो
शॉर्ट बॉल पे भी बहुत फंसा है वर्ल्ड कप में पूरा. सभी ने शॉर्ट बॉल पे
have
फंसा है.
point in and then send third man back and have third man wide, because that's where he swings through, no, towards straight over the bowler's head and towards long off and long on. Those edges can go there. Will the slower bouncer be an issue for him? I think they will come up with plans. And जितना भी मैंने देखा अंडर 19 क्रिकेट में, obviously वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रिएक्टिव क्रिकेट होता है उस लेवल पर. आईपीएल के लेवल पर थोड़ा प्रोएक्टिव क्रिकेट होता है, तो थोड़ा नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा प्रोएक्टिव क्रिकेट होता है. तो दे कम अप विद अ लॉट मोर बेटर प्लान्स वैभव के खिलाफ. तो मुझे लगता है कि यार इसको लेकर मैंने बोला था कि यार मुझे लगता है कि उसको थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो सकता है सेकंड सीजन में. तो उस एंड बिकॉज आई सेड दैट, पीपल आर लाइक रियली अपसेट विद मी कि यार तुम बैक नहीं करते यंगस्टर को. मेरे से ज्यादा कोई नहीं मिलेगा यंगस्टर को बैक करने वाला.
नहीं, डेस्टिनी आप कह रहे थे ना अभी रॉबी, बिकॉज विद यू इट्स लाइक दैट. whenever you say something on Twitter, आपका डेस्टिनी आ जाता है वहाँ पे. People realize after few months that what you were saying उस moment पे थोड़ा रहता है. Yeah, Jimmy, you were saying something, please.
No, I was going to ask Robin. I mean, what were you 20, 21, Robin, when you first played for India?
20.
20, right? Now that's very young. Here we have someone, chalo, 14, 15, 16. जैसे कि आपने कहा, it's very young. is there a right age to push him? I'm on the same page as you. This is going to be his toughest season. Let's assume hypothetical situation कि लड़का इस साल रन मारता है, अगले 2 साल तक consistently IPL, India A, whatever chances he scores runs. Do the selectors bring him in at 17, 18? I again, and feel free to correct me, I've always felt कि जब तक एक 18-19 साल का लड़का, if he's in that category like you were, जब तक एक दो proper Ranji seasons नहीं खेला है, can he really be judged or should he be judged? I'd love to hear your views on that, Robin.
तो रणजी ट्रॉफी तो एक आध सीजन तो खेलना ही पड़ेगा, मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा होगा।
Yeah.
पर मोर देन दैट मेरे हिसाब से आई थिंक देयर इज अ प्लान फॉर गाइज लाइक हिम, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल वीवीएस लक्ष्मण जो हैं सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस में वो जो हेड करते हैं, तो हिम बीइंग देयर एंड देन राहुल भाई ऑलवेज हैविंग a year of someone like VVS Lakshman, just on the by virtue of the relationship that they share, there is a pathway I think that they have picked, and then I think the selectors are doing a great job. हम सब इस वर्ल्ड कप के चक्कर में ना हम लोग भूल गए कि यार सेलेक्टर्स कितनी अच्छी जॉब किए हैं और क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए उनको, ठीक है? तो selectors have done I think a phenomenal job, and I think कि the selectors have a pathway now for young cricketers. इंडिया ए खेलना पड़ेगा एक आध साल, उसके बाद then if you keep performing well there, then obviously you will transition into the international cricket, whether it's white ball or red ball cricket, right? तो मुझे लगता है कि वो एक आध साल रणजी ट्रॉफी खेलेगा, अच्छा ही होगा उसके लिए। He'll continue to play India A जो खेलना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, and then I think the opportunity will organically come to him. जल्दी भी नहीं है अभी, अगर 15 साल का है तो अगर अगले 2-3 साल में मिल गया, he's got the ability to have like a 20-year career, 25-year career if he plays till 30, if he plays till 38, you know, it's a proper 20-year career, but it'll be much longer professional career, right? So he's already playing professionally at the age of 14, so he will, even if he plays till 34, he's had a 20-year professional career, you know. So if he plays till 38, he's have a 25-year professional career. So that's a long time, right? Professionally. तो जल्दी नहीं करना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, उसको पकाना चाहिए थोड़ा और। I think पक जाएगा, he'll get a little bit more ready, and then we unleash him. So we got to take care of him. Now I think the peripherals बहुत और ज़्यादा important हो जाता है कि उसके इर्द गिर्द कौन है, उसके influences क्या हैं, you know, वो उसको खुद एम्पावर करना पैसों के बारे में कि यार इन अच्छे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स क्या होते हैं, बुरे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स क्या होते हैं, अच्छे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्या होता है। टू एम्पावर हिम with this information is also important. So I really hope कि उसके अगल बगल में लोग ऐसे हों जो मैच्योरली you know सपोर्ट करते हैं उसको, ताकि वो क्रिकेट पे फोकस करें एंड डेवलप हिम in an overall manner, right? And I think it's a great opportunity for someone like him to be developed in an overall manner.
Totally agree on this. So, सही है, but ये चीज अच्छी है. The Indian cricket is in safe hands. As far as white ball is concerned, what about red ball? मतलब इसके बारे में कोई बात भी नहीं करता. And अब ये डिस्कशन होने लग गया है कि do we even have the talent pool for red ball cricket, or there needs to be overall in that? Because we were having this discussion in the group also. काफी सारी बातें हो रही हैं, घर पे भी हारना शुरू हो गए हैं. तो firstly, Jimmy, what is your take on it?
Cricket fans are smarter than ever before. But what they're offered is clickbait, lazy punditry and SEO noise. Combox is for people who actually love the game. Smarter analysis, real conversations. Combox, the game lives on.
It's very easy to say, and of course, I'm not for a second मैं ये बात नहीं भूल रहा हूँ कि जो न्यूजीलैंड से हम लोग हारे थे 2024 में. I mean, I was actually at some level I was not surprised. I was okay with South Africa coming here and winning 2-0. Not just क्योंकि वो लोग WTC champions थे, वो homework करके आए थे. लेकिन वो न्यूजीलैंड की टीम जो आई थी, I mean, I remember I was doing shows saying, अरे एक आंख बंद करके टीम जाएगी WTC फाइनल, कहाँ हरा पाएगी? एक नहीं, वो लोग आके 3 टेस्ट मैच यहाँ जीते. So in a sense, I think a lot of the good work, like Robin's mentioned, be it at the COE and all this stuff, it is geared up to looking at every single department.
Hmm.
But and I'd also, again, I'd love to hear you. But when the team is doing better in two formats, right? चलिए 19 November 2023 को they couldn't cross the final hurdle, but this is a damn fine era for white ball cricket, right? So maybe, I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there. Maybe the efforts are going too much towards one section, and it's a combination of not enough Ranji level players coming through. Is the Ranji Trophy being ignored? I think so. Right? Every year we see people who are the top 5 wicket takers. Are they coming into the team? Chaliye, Ashwin the, Jaddu the, Kuldeep is there, right? But is India a? I mean, you're watching a lot more, domestic cricket than me, Robin. Is the
Hmm.
domestic structure? Is it being acknowledged? Is it being rewarded? Ajkal it's Akib Nabi because J&K has won and he's had a fantastic series. Does it mean that just because you're the highest wicket taker, you should play for India A? I'm not so convinced, but shouldn't there be some kind of a reward? I just feel कि हम लोग बहुत नहीं अभी इनके लिए जगह नहीं है. We have XYZ players, fantastic, but doesn't Indian cricket stay either in the present or in the past for too long? So I was very glad to hear that you've seen enough evidence कि वो आगे की सोच रहे हैं, but क्या वो टेस्ट फॉर्मेट के लिए इतना आगे सोच रहे हैं? I have
Hmm.
doubts.
है, सोच रहे हैं। और मेरे हिसाब से रणजी ट्रॉफी को और थोड़ा कंपेटिटिव बना सकते हो आप। मुझे अभी भी याद है कि जब हम रणजी ट्रॉफी खेल रहे थे, जब मैं खेल रहा था, ये 2019 20 21 की बात है। जब अगर हम टर्नर्स पे खेलते तो लोग मतलब एंड हम केरला में रिजल्ट के लिए अगर थोड़ा से 2 ढाई दिन 3 दिन में रिजल्ट निकालना चाह रहे हैं और टर्नर बनाते हैं और गलती से अगर 2 ढाई दिन में ख़त्म हो गया मैच, तो the association would be reprimanded, the groundsman would be reprimanded,
Mm,
the curator would be reprimanded। पर जब इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेलते हो, आप टेस्ट मैचेस आप 2 ढाई दिन में ख़त्म करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो।
बताओ।
तो आप अगर टेस्ट क्रिकेट में वो कर रहे हो, ठीक है, इंडिया में, एंड यू आर प्लेइंग ऑन स्पिन फ्रेंडली विकेट्स, तो मतलब कॉमन सेंस बात ये है कि यार आप रणजी ट्रॉफी को भी टर्नर्स में आप एनकरेज करो खिलाने को, ताकि प्लेयर्स डेवलप हो जाएं, ताकि
Yep.
आंसर्स हों कि यार अगर बॉल घूम रही है तो हमें ऐसे खेलना पड़ेगा, हमें टर्निंग ट्रैक्स में हम रन ऐसे बनाते हैं। तरीका निकल के आएगा ना प्लेयर्स का कि यार दिस इज हाउ वी स्कोर रन्स ऑन दीज विकेट्स, एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट हैज बीन एनकरेज्ड। एंड आई थिंक ये अभी की बात नहीं है, जेमी, ये तो ऑलमोस्ट दिस इज अ गुड 15-year story, I think, right now.
Mm,
I think early
yeah.
2010s they started encouraging domestic tracks and domestic cricket to have more fast bowler friendly wickets। उसका जरूर एडवांटेज है और वो दिखता है हमारे क्रिकेट में। जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलते हैं away from home, but when you come home it is like, मेरे लिए ना थोड़ा मैं डिनाइल में था कि यार लोग बोल रहे थे कि यार हम स्पिन नहीं खेल पाते हैं, और हम जेन्युइनली स्ट्रगल करने लगते हैं जब हम लाइक इवन इफ इट्स पीपल हु spinners from outside India, right?
Yeah.
We're struggling against them, and that is a genuine concern।
Yep.
अगर आपको पता नहीं यार स्पिन को आप ज़्यादातर बैकफुट में खेलना चाहिए, आपका यू हैव टू बी रियली डिसाइसिव विथ योर फुटवर्क, डिसाइसिव विथ योर डिसीजन मेकिंग एज टू आप कैसे शॉट्स खेलोगे, कौन सा शॉट्स है आपका जो जिसमें आपका रन बनेगा। यू गॉट टू डेवलप 2 kind of sweep shots, one that's coming from up, one that is going like one where you get on top of the ball, one where you get under the ball, depending on आपका अगर शॉर्ट फाइन लेग है, शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन ऑल दोज एस्पेक्ट्स, देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स। आप आगे वाला बॉल भी थोड़ा पीछे खेलोगे टर्निंग ट्रैक में, ताकि वो बिकॉज यू वांट टू प्ले द बॉल लेट, और आप स्टेप आउट ज़्यादा करोगे क्योंकि टर्निंग ट्रैक में यू वांट टू गेट टू द पिच ऑफ द बॉल, या यू वांट टू टेक द बॉल ऑन द फुल, सो यू प्ले अलॉन्ग द बैक फुट एंड यू फोर्स द बॉलर टू टॉस द बॉल इनटू द प्लेइंग एरिया, सो ऑन टू द फ्रंट फुट zones, so that you can step out and play the ball। तो a lot of these aspects ना, जब तक हम रणजी ट्रॉफी में अब हम करते नहीं है, तो we'll never have those solutions। Players will never know कि यार ऐसे बनाई जाती है ना runs। To know that कि यार turning track में you have to always defend in front of the pad, as simple as that। So, and you don't worry about the ball that, like for a left arm spinner, you don't worry about the ball that beats you outside on the outside edge of your bat. Like you're only worried about the ball, the inside edge of the bat, right? So even the inside edge, you hang your bat, like you literally get on top of the ball, and you with soft hands you kind of play the ball so that the ball smothers around you. You can smother the ball around you. So even if it takes the edge, तो वो slip तक नहीं जा पाए. तो a lot of these aspects comes from experience. और ये सारे चीज जब तक हम actually नहीं खेलेंगे in conditions में, we cannot hope for a lot of home success. हम away फ्रॉम होम हम सक्सेसफुल रहेंगे, पर घर पे अगर हमें सक्सेसफुल होना है तो रणजी ट्रॉफी के आधे मैचेस हमको प्रॉपर टर्निंग ट्रैक्स पर खेलना चाहिए, और वो चीज अभी तक हुई नहीं है, हो नहीं रहा है. एंड आई थिंक टिल दैट हैपेंस we'll struggle with spin.
एक क्वेश्चन था मेरा इसके ऊपर, बिकॉज ऑफ लेट व्हाट आई हैव सीन कि फॉरेन प्लेयर्स जो इंडिया में आते हैं ना, दे एक्चुअली डू दैट. जैसे जडेजा को खेलते हुए दे विल ऑलवेज कि वो जो अंडरकट आ रहा है उसके लिए दे विल ऑलवेज प्रिपेयर कि अंदर आएगी, और एंड दे आर हैप्पी टू गेट बीटन ऑन द आउटसाइड एज. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट क्वाइट कंसिडरेबली इन लास्ट 7-8 years आई वुड से, if not more. 2017 onwards, in fact, जब BGT में Australia came, but we don't see that clarity from Indian batters. Like what I've seen, like जो भी abroad से आ रहे हैं on turners, they are ready to look ugly and they will follow a methodology, and it's like highly disciplined methodology that comes from a lot of overseas batters, but we just don't see that patience, that methodology from Indian batters. और overseas batters को भी तो practice करने के लिए वैसे turners नहीं मिल
रहे, पर वो कैसे रहेगा ना, सोचो ना थोड़ा दीपक, सॉरी मैं तो ये इंटरजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं इंटरजेक्टिंग, क्योंकि कैसे होगा यार. देखो हर इंडियन क्रिकेट का भी सीन क्या है, हर प्लेयर का हर प्लेयर एक लेगेसी बिल्ड करना चाहता है, और वो लेगेसी बिल्ड कहाँ से होती है? टेस्ट क्रिकेट से थोड़ी होती है. आज के ज़माने में आईपीएल से शुरू होता है, ठीक है. तुम कोई भी प्लेयर, बड़े प्लेयर को देख लो, उनके सारे जर्नीज जो हैं आईपीएल से शुरू हुई है. तो सारे यंगस्टर्स क्या देख रहे हैं? व्हाट इज द प्रूफ इन द पुडिंग? द प्रूफ इन द पुडिंग एग्जिस्ट्स इन द आईपीएल जर्नी. तो ऑब्वियसली आप रणजी ट्रॉफी को उतना मायने नहीं दोगे एज अ यंगस्टर, ठीक है. नॉट बिकॉज यू वांट टू मेक मनी, बिकॉज यू वांट टू बिल्ड लेगेसी, बिकॉज टुडे एवरीवनस ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड लेगेसी. आप पूरे टीम को देख लो यार, इंडिविजुअली आप एक प्लेयर को निकाल के देख लो, हर कोई अपना कहानी, अपना स्टोरी बनाना चाह रहे हैं. लाइक very few people are not trying to build their own narratives, right? And सबका खुद का narrative है, और ये चीज, it is what Indian cricket is today. It wasn't what it was 10 years ago, but it is what it is today. And no one is judging it. We're just saying that this is what it is at this point in time. So the youngsters coming through the ranks will also think like this. Right? They'll also think of building their own legacy, because life is also set up in such a way, right? Instagram pe hai, like even what comes is, the attention and the fame and all of that is what is today is not. The whole definition of celebrity has changed today, right? Who were the people celebrated? Now today we can actually say कि ये Indian team, ये इनको celebrities कह सकते हो क्योंकि इनको celebrate किया जाएगा. Right? Even by the cricketing fraternity, इस टीम को सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा क्योंकि they have played as such. They have dominated, right? They have dominated this world.
Jimmy, आपका yes. So last 20 years of experience with all these cricketers, interviewing ये वो, have you seen also this transition happening on an organic way, और कैसा मतलब generally ये रहा है? मतलब where like maybe the respect for the test cricket and everything has actually gone out at the youngster level also.
Yeah, I mean, I have to agree with what Robin's saying. It is just what it is, right? It's just a product of the times, if I can use a cliche. Kaha mujhe personal level pe, as someone who's been watching cricket for 30 plus years now, kaha mujhe ek level pe dukh hota hai, and again I have to rationalize this with the facts, right? If you are growing up, right, kids, the IPL was 2008, right? Chinnaswamy Stadium. I was at that match covering it. Robbie was there. From that time, if you've grown up watching the IPL, if you've grown up watching T20 cricket, right, is it not natural for you to perhaps not be drawn towards the 4 day format at domestic level, the 5 day format, right? It doesn't mean you're not respecting it. आपको मौका मिलता है इंडियन क्रिकेट स्ट्रक्चर आपको सैयद मुश्ताक अली के साथ विजय हजारे दे रहा है दुलीप ट्रॉफी रणजी ट्रॉफी एक एक क्रिकेट सो इट्स देयर यू नो आई एम श्योर अ यंग प्लेयर नोस कि हाँ मुझे ये खेलना चाहिए but is it what drives them? And I'll go back to what Robbie was just saying. It's about that legacy building. I'm not saying it's easy to build a legacy, but I would assume it's easier at some level now. You have Instagram, you do something, you've been empowered. Forget cricketers or athletes. The common man and woman and child in India, or even Buzurg log, if they have a certain knack, they've been empowered by social media, right? So at some level, the distraction, I'm going to use the word distraction because the word distraction hoga, right? Which is why I'm very keen to see वैभव सूर्यवंशी 5 साल के बाद कहाँ जाएगा और अगर लाइक वी डिस्कस अगर उनका रास्ता थोड़ा यहाँ वहां गया क्या फर्क पड़ता है he's only 14 15 right like Robbie said even if he finally gets into the team at 20 that's still what crores of aspiring cricketers want to do right
Yeah.
so I see you know where has the change come I'll give you an example Shubman Gill I've interviewed him twice he very openly said right कि मैं ज्यादा टेस्ट क्रिकेट नहीं देखता हूँ right now, initially it took me
Oh.
10 12 seconds I had the same reaction but I realized इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है just because you're playing for India do you have to be in a hotel room watching matches कुछ होंगे and I can see from Robin's reaction कुछ होंगे who eat
Yeah.
sleep breathe cricket आज के दिन में आप इंडिया के तीनों फॉर्मेट में हालांकि वो नहीं है कैप्टन बट द बीसीसीआई ट्राइड टू मेक हिम डाउन दैट पैथ आप इंडिया के तीनों फॉर्मेट कैप्टन होके भी आप टॉप 10 रैंकिंग्स में होके भी यू डोंट हैव टू बी वाचिंग क्रिकेट और वाचिंग टेस्ट क्रिकेट if Shubman Gill is in a hotel room at home in Chandigarh or wherever he is, if he's not watching Test cricket, is that a problem? I don't think so. Why should he have to be tuned in? Danger kahan pe hai if someone younger hears this or looks up to Shubman and takes it the wrong way. So I think all the stakeholders, BCCI, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman Salo, I'm sure they're aware of these things. And like Robin said, if there is a path, I hope that path is widened to include a lot more players. Do I have genuine concerns about where the test game is going? Yes, but if it doesn't go the way someone like me wants it to go, I'll have to accept it because the game has changed, you know. So, and I don't think one episode of a podcast will ever accurately um, get down to the brass tacks of this matter. बहुत सारे factors हैं. And why not? I don't think anyone बहुत बार अरे ये सिर्फ IPL के पीछे भागते हैं. No one should be stopped from earning a livelihood. If you're getting more from the
Exactly.
IPL,
Those are just
करो.
sour grapes यार जेमी यार
बिल्कुल पर ये बहुत है रॉबिन ये बहुत है so I'm
हमारे
very
देश भी
harsh
बहुत
on my
बड़ा है
live
ना।
streams exactly I know but it's
It's also
Yeah.
ours is also very large country with like
हाँ,
देखो
अभी-
यार मतलब एक टूर्नामेंट को मतलब एक वर्ल्ड कप को डोमिनेट करके जीतने के बाद बोलने की यार मजा नहीं आया इस वर्ल्ड कप में
exactly
क्या ये चीज ये भी
वो जिम्बाब्वे मैच वो 70 रन से जीते मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ सर ये 110 रन से जीता चाहिए था 110 रन भाई T20 में 70 रन बहुत बड़ा होता है आपने उस टीम को पेल दिया आपने हाँ क्या थोड़ा और एफिशिएंट हो सकता था बिल्कुल लेकिन 70 रन से अगर आप खुश नहीं हो इन अ मस्ट विन सिचुएशन आई एम लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन सो या इट्स आई जस्ट laugh at these people here
I
बिकॉज एट
was
द एंड ऑफ द डे
actually
वर्ल्ड कप में ना फर्क नहीं पड़ता स्पेशली आप अगर एक टीम जो है आप एक जब टॉप टीम हो you just need to win every game it doesn't matter by how
That's
many
it.
runs your what
That's it.
margin
और एक मैं सिंपल
Correct.
चीज बताना चाहूंगा जस्ट दिस संडे आई वाज मीटिंग माय डैड्स फैमिली डॉक्टर सो उनसे मैं यही बात कर रहा था मैंने कहा आज जो 6 months डाउन द लाइन आफ्टर इंटरेक्टिंग विद रॉबी एंड एवरीथिंग अगर आज मुझे कोई पूछे ना कि एक 7-8 year old को क्या करना चाहिए शुड दे गो द career path where they can be maybe an academician IITian या उन्हें क्रिकेट के लिए पुश करना चाहिए तो मैं आज एकेडमिक्स को प्रायोरिटी दूंगा बिकॉज इट इज सच अ टैक्सिंग जॉब आई सेड इट ऑन लाइक आई सेड लाइक मॉनेटरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी देयर इज अ बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ यू मेकिंग मनी बिकॉज द सक्सेस परसेंटेज इज बेटर एंड स्ट्रेस distractions pressures everything are so insanely high And
रुक जा
I said like I'm
ओमांच
talking
के
to
बारे में ओमांच के बारे में जब बात करेंगे तब जाके ये क्लिप को ना मैं क्लिप करके ना दिखाऊंगा तुझे
ये this has changed for him in last couple of months. I must tell you, my whole perspective has changed. मतलब मैं because seriously and because if I talk about today's scenario, like अगर आप एक अच्छे artificial intelligence backed startup लेके आ रहे हो, कुछ लेके आ रहे हो, या आप उस तरह के bracket में हो, you can even attract salaries of $100 million also. और अगर आप क्रिकेट के पिनाकल की बात भी करो, सम लाइक यू लीव असाइड धोनी एंड विराट, मे बी इवन अगर आप रोहित शर्मा की भी बात करें, अब उसके बाद एक टियर नीचे भी आ जाएं, ऐसा नहीं है कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट इनसेन मनी विद द काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर्स दैट दे हैव टू गो थ्रू उसके साथ भी। तो मतलब इट्स लाइक पीपल जो कहते हैं ना ये तो आईपीएल इतना कमा रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, द काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल दिस पीपल हैव टू मेंटेन, the pressures and everything, and uncertainty also. Even if you had a banger IPL season, you don't even know अगले साल आप खेल रहे हो नहीं खेल रहे हो, injury might come in, your form might get completely lost, काफी कुछ है, काफी सारी चीजें हैं। तो career wise
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, अगर अगले सीरीज में अगले 4 मैचेस में संजू रन नहीं बनाता ना, अगर वो नहीं बनाएगा अगले 4 मैचेस में रन, वापस लोग बोलेंगे, वापस लोग बोलेंगे,
सब भूल जाएंगे।
हाँ,
It's a fact.
See, the thing is, at the end of the day, you have to understand कि यार, and the thing is, मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि लोग बोलना नहीं चाहिए, हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि यार टीम का मेंटालिटी क्या है, टीम का इथॉस क्या है। अगर टीम का इथॉस ये है कि यार हम टैलेंट को बैक करेंगे क्योंकि हमें पता है कि ये मैच विनर है, then you stick to that template through, right? Agar you think that no, we are a team that is horses for courses, and for us performance is of utmost importance, and like we'll only have performers, we won't back potential talent and all of that, then that is a different way of achieving success. Both ways are successful, but as viewers, as audiences, we have to educate ourselves about कि यार इस टीम का ethos क्या है, उसके हिसाब से, if the ethos, whether you agree with the ethos or not, if the ethos is that this is what the ethos is, हम back करेंगे potential को, then you judge the team based on that ethos, right? And then the performance is based on that ethos, right? But today, I think the Indian subcontinent viewer of cricket, or the fans of cricket, the casual fans of cricket, still don't understand the deeper nuances of the game. And I think it becomes हमारा जिम्मेदारी बन जाता है कि यार हम इनको educate करें, हम इनको help करें कि यार ये ऐसे थोड़ा perceive कीजिए इस मैच को। जैसे कि हम वैभव के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, like people अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, पर they will see the truth of it in 3 months. They'll see, because cricket हम खेले हैं, we understand कि यार क्या हो सकता है एक youngster के साथ,
Exactly.
क्योंकि हम भी गुजर के आए हैं उस चीजों से, right?
पृथ्वी शॉ as a classical example.
देख लो।
Yep.
Yeah.
पृथ्वी शॉ को तो मतलब when he came in, and शुभमन गिल के साथ शुरुआत थी, I can clearly remember 2018 under 19 World Cup when I saw, तो everybody was talking about पृथ्वी शॉ, पर जब मैंने शुभमन की बैटिंग देखी, I said like यार after like ages, like under 19 पे complete batter दिख रहा है, and then next 2 years we all know what happened. मतलब पृथ्वी शॉ कहीं डिस्कशन
मैं
में भी
एक्चुअली
नहीं है,
कहूंगा
मतलब
कि पृथ्वी actually was a more complete batter than शुभमन in the under 19 levels.
Yeah.
शुभमन पक्का नहीं था पूरा, पर
Yeah.
अभी शुभमन पक गया, एकदम पक गया, like
Correct.
red ball cricket, one day cricket, I think he's one of the best there is, right?
Absolutely.
I don't think he's figured out his T20 game completely अभी तक,
Ha, exactly.
but his red ball and white ball game is like one of the best in the world at the moment currently, especially in that age group, right?
Yeah.
And I think somewhere along the way पृथ्वी थोड़ा वो गुम हो गया, and it's just choices, man, after a point in time, you know, how badly do you want it, and that's destiny, right?
Yeah.
Like you can want it as badly as you want it, and you'll never get an opportunity.
Yep, spot on. Yeah, I remember 2011 World Cup ke time, there was a 3-part documentary series, and one of them was on this young boy, from Dharavi. मैं 2011 की बात कर रहा हूँ. How old would he been then? I don't know, 6, 7. So I remember the name was there, and then of course, if you're थोड़ा extra talent है आपके पास, और अगर आप मुंबई क्रिकेट में नाम बना रहे हो, then the local media really builds you up, and that's fine, you know. But I agree with Robin saying there was that complete game at a much younger age. It was there, so. And I know he got, you know, that ankle got fractured in that practice match at the SCG, and then, you know, things were there. But like Robin said, choices, legacy. I know for a fact there have been some bad choices. इर्द गिर्द की बात अभी हो रही थी. All these factors, you know, you grow up in a certain household under a very, very strict but well-meaning father. Suddenly you're overseas, you're touring, the father's not there. So many things add up, you know. But you see when you wonder, yeah, hey, those are 26, 18 mein he made his debut, got 100. Chalo, West Indies is a slightly weaker opposition, flat track, but you got
टेस्ट
100
100
on
टेस्ट 100 है
debut.
जेमी.
बिल्कुल नहीं नहीं, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ.
Don't
18
run up all
18
100.
18 के उम्र में you get 100, you're man of the series. I think second match में he was on 60 odd and he got out. You made an impact. There's a reason why people are hyping you up. And then I look back, 8 साल बाद ये हाल है उसके, so sad.
No, but
And
here's hoping
to be
he's turned
honest,
a new
like
leaf.
2018 BGT, तो everybody was expecting him to be the star of the series because उससे पहले वेस्ट इंडीज के अगेंस्ट 100 आया था डेब्यू में, रनर बॉल 100, एंड देन छोटा सा चेस था सेकंड
Correct.
मैच में, ही स्कोर्ड 30 समथिंग नॉट आउट आल्सो, एंड तो सबको उम्मीद थी कि मतलब थिंग्स वुड बी बिग फॉर
बिल्कुल.
हिम, एंड देन एज यू मेंशन he twisted his ankle, then Mayank got the chance. Mayank took it in Melbourne, and Sydney scored well. Then he was there, and he's also one example जो मुझे समझ नहीं आया आज तक, because as an opener, as a player of spin, because I'm very sure Robin ने तो काफी खेला भी उनके साथ, तो I find him really in very interesting case. मुझे वो spin के इंडिया में one of the better players में से लगते हैं, and still he just kind of vanished. जबकि he was prolific scorer as far as Indian home test matches are concerned. Scored a beautiful 100 against New Zealand in Wankhede, जहाँ पे Ejaz took that 10 wicket in an innings, and 150 बहुत brilliant runs थे. And among the runs, as far as Indian pitches are concerned, and domestic maybe he's been scoring runs. अभी Ranji finals he scored a beautiful 100, but as you say, destiny or whatever the way Indian cricket works, he's just kind of vanished. वो है ही नहीं अभी कहीं पे भी, दिखने में भी नहीं है. कंसिडरेशन सेट में थोड़ा सा दिखा था कि इंग्लैंड टॉर से पहले बात आई थी हल्की सी कि along with Karun Nair he also might get considered, but nothing. So
I think with Mayank, you know, मुझे लगता है कि there's a part of his game with his batting that limits him a little bit. It's a technical thing, but he's worked his game around that in such a way that he's still scoring runs, right? What I saw him in the Ranji Trophy final was easily one of the best I think I've seen him bat in a couple of years. His setup, at least from a technical standpoint, looks really nice. And I think 1 second, I'm working. Sorry guys. Okay.
It's because she
Okay.
drew on my paper.
Okay, I'm working.
And then she was telling
I'm
me
working.
But boy,
Okay. Can I
Jimmy, how old are your kids?
I have one son, 11 going on 18.
she drew the whole
11 going on 18. Oh, nice.
Okay.
18 means
Yes.
tomorrow?
No. He's 11, but अपने हरकत और तेवर से अपने आप को 18 साल का समझता है वो.
Okay.
Okay. I just thought he's 11
नहीं
going.
नहीं.
He'll be
वो
11
है.
on 18. That's why.
No,
Sorry,
he's
guys.
11, but yeah.
I'm so sorry.
It's happened to me 1,000 times. My kid walks in. अरे दोबारा YouTube कर रहे हो क्या? अरे यार तू नहीं. ऐसे होते हैं बच्चे आजकल भी also.
So I made my kids like be my host for one of the podcasts. उसके बाद उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. They understood it's not easy.
हम इतनी गाली जो मिली थी इसको. Anyway, so we're talking about Mayank. So like I think Mayank is someone. I think today when I saw his batting in the Ranji Trophy final, I thought it's the best I've seen him bat in a very long time, and I think he's someone who has had a lot of potential. And I've often said this about Indian cricket. It's built in such a way that it's built in such a way that some people have longer runs, some people don't have longer runs. You know, despite having the ability and the talent and all that, it's just the way the cookie crumbles. आप इसको accept करके आगे चलना आपको चलना पड़ेगा बस.
Also,
Quite
he had a
an
specific
interesting thing.
he had a specific role, right? He was given a role when the team was trying something new. That WTC was just starting out. You look at the role he did. And I know he didn't get the big runs overseas, but even that Australian series win, there were a couple very very handy knocks there. But sign of the times, kaho ya, I don't know, competition. You have one bad series or one bad season, and unfortunately, you end up falling so far behind. And yeah,
Yeah.
sad.
And
Yeah.
जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा astonishing लगता है because 2021 end against New Zealand when he scored that 150 in Wankhede, then went to South Africa, that beautiful opening partnership with KL in Centurion, I guess, where India won that test match and failed in next two test matches, which is a very normal thing to do in South Africa. We don't have a history of openers performing in South Africa. And that's the last I remember he played for India. I don't have a memory of him playing for India ever post that. So like
Well, he would have.
Hui.
He was slotted to play in the summer of 21, wasn't it? And then he got hit in the nets. So that's how KL got his chance again. But so many factors conspire. He was not out of the team. He just got injured, and then KL Rahul opens. He gets runs, and then unfortunately,
Exactly.
it's unfair. It's unfair. But they just didn't seem to have such value for players like Mayank Agarwal again. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clearly. So red ball cricket, what you people think is the future as far as India is concerned. So
Well, I think someone
is
like Shubman's legacy is going to be attached to Test cricket. I think, in a lot of ways. So for him as a leader, मेरे हिसाब से, I think he'll need to drive that whole aspect. तो मुझे लगता है कि his career is going to be judged a lot on what he does in Test cricket. And he'll
Makes
be one of the,
sense.
like, I reckon he's got the potential to be one of the modern greats. And I think he's begun on that journey मेरे हिसाब से. And मुझे लगता है कि उसमें इतना drive है कि वो achieve करेगा. And I'm actually quite excited for him, as far as one day cricket and Test cricket is concerned. क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ जो हुई हैं उसके साथ, हाल ही में जो हुआ है, got dropped from the T20 side, nobody expected it, right? And he's someone who wants to win as many ICC championships as possible. So suddenly he finds himself not being a part of two World Cups where on some level people will argue कि उसको रहना चाहिए था, and he will of course feel कि मुझे रहना चाहिए था. So he's not been a part of two World Cups, so he's not like a World Cup winner yet, right?
Yep.
So that will drive him, I won't say nuts, but it'll drive him to be extremely motivated to be able to achieve similar things in red ball and white ball cricket and one day cricket. So I see him, and I feel like Shubman's going to do exceptionally well over the next 5 years. When I say exceptionally well, I mean like he can be like, I think he can be a World Cup winning captain, and I think as a captain of two formats of the Indian team, उसको काफ़ी चीज़ drive करना पड़ेगा in lieu of winning, say, the one day World Cup, in lieu of winning the Test Match or the WTC 2 years from now. So he has to be very focused as a leader कि यार मुझे कैसा टीम चाहिए, मुझे इंडिया में कैसे खेलना है, मुझे टर्निंग ट्रैक्स पे खेलना है या मुझे ट्रू ट्रैक्स पे खेलना है, एंड हाउ डू आई गेट टू द बैक एंड ऑफ द WTC. तो वो सारे प्लानिंग ना उसको यहाँ से करना पड़ेगा. तो it's a great time for him to build his own legacy right now, and build the stepping stones that lead to him being able to achieve those things for himself and for the country. Because you just have to sit down with Shubhi, you just have to sit with him, and you'll know that the hunger that he's got is insatiable, right? I have seen him when he first came into the IPL, right? From there to where he is today, maturity 10x. Like, I mean 10x from the age of 19 to 24 or something that he is today. like 10x. Every time I speak to him, I'm like, wow, ये और mature हो गया है, ये और mature हो गया है, ये और driven हो गया है, और ये driven ऐसा नहीं कि यार मैं गंग हो हूँ, like वो like एक quiet confidence है कि यार मुझे ये achieve करना है और ये मैं करूँगा, you know, और वो hunger to witness from the outside as a supporter of Indian cricket and someone who's played, it's like it's so pleasing to see youngsters have that level of single-mindedness about what they want to achieve. It's amazing.
Thanks.
Absolutely.
So,
I'll
fun
echo.
format.
हाँ.
जाते. Yeah. So,
Yeah, no,
Jimmy,
I'm just saying
आपका
we've got a 10 years. We have a 10-year player. It's been 5 years since I called him as a 15-year player across formats. We have 10 years, and it's going to be a pleasure watching him just go from space to space. Khaskar, I personally would be very happy if he didn't play another T20I for India anytime soon. But what he's done in one-day cricket and Test cricket, I'm on the same page as Robin. अगले 5 साल में ये बंदा बहुत कुछ हासिल करने वाला है.
हाँ, 100%. मैं
ओडिया
बिल्कुल
के बारे में जिमी आपका क्या ओपिनियन है कंसिडरिंग कि there was a shift in captaincy. Rohit won the Champions Trophy. He might be still around for 2027 World Cup. So was it like because आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट क्रिकेट और ओडिया जनरली इन सिंक चलाते हो, that's the reason India thought कि अब it's the right time, or maybe Rohit could have got one another World Cup, one go at 27. मतलब क्या वहाँ पे
I'll be very honest. At the time all this was happening, I personally did not see Rohit lasting until the 27 World Cup. Now I've changed track. We're all allowed to have our
100%.
wrong calls. I'm okay with the fact. I think ek hota hai कि look, he's going to be 40, almost 40, thereabouts 40 when the World Cup starts. अपने आप को fit रखना, driven रखना, with all due respect, I think Virat Kohli is slightly ahead of Rohit Sharma when it comes to being driven towards certain goals. Rohit's probably bought into that, having spent so much time Virat के साथ. लेकिन उस समय, I'm assuming the selectors and all the stakeholders, हमें रोहित चाहिए क्या हमें रोहित तक कैप्टन चाहिए. Shubman Gill was doing it until Virat Kohli had this recent spike in form. शुभमन गिल इस टीम के पिछले 6 साल से वो लीडिंग वनडे रन गेटर थे. और इंडिया में क्या होता है, अनिल कुंबले को छोड़ के हमारे कैप्टन बन जाते हैं टीम के बेस्ट बैट्समैन एट दैट टाइम. विराट कोहली was still the best,
हमेशा
but he had moved on. So it was a very natural choice. And then you have to keep in mind, who can we build a brand around, who's going to attract people, and Shubman Gill is that
Exactly.
person. Perhaps a bit unfair on Sanju Samson that Shubman Gill को 1.5 साल के बाद या 15 महीने बाद T20 squad में वापस लाया गया for the Asia Cup, because that sort of disrupted Sanju Samson's balance in the team. But as far as Gill, the test player goes, I'm on board. They made the right call to lead someone, and I'm glad it happened when it did. They didn't try to persist with Rohit 6 months, 8 months. The writing was on the wall. एक नया WTC cycle शुरू हो रहा है. Let's go for Gill. And I, like Robbie said, I firmly believe that titles इस बंदे के पास आने वाले हैं. He's 25, 26. He's got all the attributes. We've all seen the rise on the field. He's matured into, and when you're doing well in test and one days, more or less history says you're fine. T20 is a little bit of a different game right now, and I'm sure he'll come back. But right now, on the evidence of the leadership, the maturity, and frankly, the most important thing, the success जो शुभमन गिल ने हासिल किया टेस्ट में, one day में, I think they made the right choice.
But like, do you see ODIs in general remaining relevant post 2027?
No, I don't know. This is just, I think 35 might be the last one-day World Cup we see in the way we know it. 35.
Ooh.
35. क्या है? I'll tell you why. This is not just not just some left field thing. Bilaterals, I find, are the hardest to watch now. I'm a late convert to T20 cricket. I love my test cricket. But going back to 96, जितना मैं दीवाना रहा इस game का, even in 96, I would sometimes walk away after the power plays. This, I'm just being brutally honest here, okay? I struggle. I'm looking at one days now. ये one day World Cups कौन देखने आते हैं? क्यों आते हैं? जब तक superstars रहेंगे. 31 में superstars नहीं रहेंगे. उभरते superstars रहेंगे, but I still think a lot of our earliest memories, the three of us here on this podcast, the only trophy worth winning when we were kids or aspiring to be cricketers was the one day World Cup. IPL तो बहुत बाद में आया था, right? It was the one day World. So I still feel there's a generation जिनके लिए despite the charm and the value and this and the fun of winning a T20 World Cup, मैं मानता हूँ अभी भी इंडियन क्रिकेट के अंदर एक जनरेशन है जिनके लिए वो वनडे वर्ल्ड कप जीतना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसीलिए रोहित इतना फिट हो गया है. There's a drive because they've been there. Virat's won the damn World Cup, but he wants to do it again. क्या होगा जब रोहित नहीं रहेंगे, बुमराह नहीं रहेंगे, all these players will
Bumrah.
will people want to watch? People don't get it. Jasprit Bumrah is India's greatest new ball bowler of all times. Abhi bhi, every 3 days, sir, wo IPL ke liye khelta hai. I'm like, guys, understand. So I'm going to go back very briefly. I'm ranting here. What Robin said about 10, 15 minutes ago, हमारा काम होता है इनको थोड़ा aware करना game के बारे में. And I personally, I've done shows when I've questioned Gambhir's tactics, Rahul Dravid's tactics. I realized what, तुम क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो, ये लोग जीत रहे हैं ना. So all of us take a back seat and try and educate those who are not perhaps as aware or as tuned in, or maybe haven't watched the game as close as we are, you know. So I have genuine fears कि ये one-day format कहाँ जाएगा. मेरे पास कोई easy solution नहीं है. मैं सुन रहा हूँ 15 साल से 40 overs कर लो, 2 ball कर लो, super sub कर लो. I don't think इस दुनिया के इतिहास में कोई भी खेल है जिसमें इतने changes, fine tuning नहीं हुआ है जितना कि हमारा ये खेल. Have we got anywhere? I was at the first test match when DRS was used. SSC 2008, India, Sri Lanka. तब से लेकर आज तक, we still haven't figured out कि DRS अच्छा है या नहीं है ना. So I'm saying, I hope the stakeholders are looking forward and it's on their radar कि how do we keep one days relevant. नहीं तो, I have a sinking feeling 35 could be the last one day World Cup.
मुझे नहीं
Quite
लगता
a
कि यार,
valid point. So
because I think they've got the one day cycle done till 28 या कुछ. उसके बाद they have to make a new one day cycle. और
Yeah.
I genuinely think कि one day World Cup होना चाहिए, but bilaterals वगैरह बंद कर देना चाहिए यार. It's horrible, yeah. Like it's just, I think you can have, like, we shouldn't have like a bilateral series once in a month. You know, it should. I'd rather have Test cricket and T20 cricket. I'd rather have a tri-nation, a quadrangular.
Yes.
That will become that much more fan engaging, right? And in that you can actually
Exactly.
play younger teams also. You can play, you know, you can play the younger teams like a Namibia, like all these other teams that are there, like the 20 teams, like a USA. Get them to play, like a quadrangular, a bilateral, or a tri-series. All of that will be so
जैसे
cool,
पहले
right?
होता था.
हाँ, बंद क्यों हुआ है यार? टीचर साहब
Exactly.
थोड़ा बताएंगे हमें.
नहीं, उसमें एक फाइनेंशियल्स है और तो कोई रीजन नहीं है. मतलब आई थिंक इसमें जेमी कैन टेल अस अ लॉट बेटर बिकॉज बोर्ड्स को लगता है दे हैव टू शेयर. दैट्स इट. Bilaterals में they get the major chunk of the money. It's all the
It's
money thing.
mainly-
That's it. और कोई रीजन नहीं है.
It's
Because जितने
it's mainly commerce. It's the rise of leagues, and again, this is not just the IPL. There's a lot of leagues now, right? The IPL is the best, but there's a BPL, there's a CPL, there's a lot of leagues. There's T10 leagues. So where is the money? And a lot of players now, and I have no issue with this. Players choose कर रहे हैं यार. नहीं, मुझे central contract नहीं चाहिए. I can get more by playing these 3 leagues. ठीक है यार, करो. Chris Gale once told me, he cut me off mid question. He's like, I'm going to stop you there. ये जो तुम जी रहे हो वो rose tinted glass से, ये business है अभी, right?
Yeah,
So
of course.
it's just purely. I would love for the tri series. That CB series used to be an annual staple. Yeah, growing up in the winters, getting up 7 o'clock, watching all those jerseys, fantastic. But the point is, I'm sure people want it, you know. And it is the way to keep. It is one way to keep ODIs relevant. But कहाँ से आप उसको fit करोगे, right? There's just too much cricket. We used to know. You guys were all the same age group. I knew if it's April in India, कौन सी टीम आने वाली है. अगर अक्टूबर है तो वेस्ट इंडीज आने वाली है. अब यार कौन आ रहा है, कौन जा रहा है, लाइव यूट्यूब करो, ट्वीट करो. It's just there's just too much cricket, you know. So if they genuinely care about bilaterals, or they stop this bilateral, कुछ करो यार. But yeah. Sad.
And मेरे हिसाब से I think if they can stick to just a few bilaterals through the year or a few one day matches through the year, and then just focus on the World Cups and then just focus on T20 cricket, because that's what's bringing the revenue in anyway. I feel like if you move in that direction, I think
ये फुटबॉल में भी होता है for that matter.
Yeah, it's the same thing, right? What football, like when you have a system that is working and when you have a similar system that works in a sport that is so globally followed, just why trying to reinvent the wheel? Just follow suit, right?
Exactly.
Correct.
But India में the time Rohit and Virat would go from ODIs, कौन देखने वाला है यार? बहुत मुश्किल होगा. मतलब and that's the
यार
reason why everybody's kind because वो आपने
मैं
कहा
ये
कि
सोचता हूँ
क्रिकेट में ODIs is more.
मैं ना ये सोचता हूँ बट थोड़ा सेल्फिशली सोचता हूँ कि यार हम कितना वर्ल्ड कप जीत सकते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स लाइक ये टीम जो है जो बन के आई है और जो सर्व अभी कर रहे हैं, लाइक मुझे लगता है कि इस टीम का इफेक्टिवनेस बहुत ज्यादा डिप्लीट हो जाएगा आफ्टर जसप्रीत बुमराह इज गॉन.
Yep.
I feel like after Bumrah retires, we're going to have such a huge vacuum that we don't understand at this point in time. And we can only pray that he plays for as long as possible and continues to be as effective as he is at this point in time. And the rest of the Indian team have to understand कि यार जब तक ये है तो वर्ल्ड कप थोड़ा जीतना थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाता है. आसान नहीं होता पर gives us a better chance जब तक ये है. जब ये खत्म करके जाएगा ना अपने करियर, वर्ल्ड कप जीतना और बड़े टूर्नामेंट जीतना, क्योंकि ही सो गुड एट दीज क्रंच सिचुएशंस, दीज बिग मैचेस, कि यार इसके बिना स्पेशली वाइट बॉल जीतना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा मेरे हिसाब से.
बहुत
मुश्किल है.
वैक्यूम.
एक क्वेश्चन है आप दोनों से बिकॉज यू फॉलो ग्लोबल क्रिकेट सो वेल, बट एक कौन सी ऐसा बॉलिंग अटैक है वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट में विच इज इवॉल्विंग ऑल्सो? बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रेलिया वंस देयर ट्रायो वुड रिटायर, हेजलवुड, कमिंस, स्टार्क, for that matter, even Rabada is not the same force as far as South Africa is concerned.
Rabada
and
कभी
that
भी नहीं
showed
थे
in
यार
that
white
New
ball
Zealand.
cricket में. He was a force in red ball cricket,
But
continues to be a force in red ball cricket, but white ball cricket में कभी भी नहीं थे एक force. तुम उठा
बहुत
के
मार
देख लो
खाता
यार.
है टीम
2019
में.
वर्ल्ड कप तक
चांस ही नहीं है ब्रो.
19 वर्ल्ड कप, 20 IPL तक
नहीं. तुम देख लो.
So he may have the
IPL
numbers, but yeah. But
मैं बोल
nothing,
रहा हूँ कि
नहीं.
यार
Yeah, ऐसा कुछ नहीं
terrorizing
है.
bowler नहीं था ऐसे.
हाँ, वैसा नहीं है.
नहीं था. I think he made his debut against
नहीं, मतलब मैं कह रहा
India
हूँ
in a match and got like 6 on debut. So all that is there, but that एक impression बन चुका है. But I'm on the same page. Very clear where his strongest game was, and that is red ball cricket. Yeah.
Yeah.
by some distance. So, but globally भी कौन दिख रहा है वाइट बॉल में जो अपनी फास्ट बॉलिंग को या बॉलिंग को एज सच इवॉल्व भी कर रहे हैं? वी टॉक अबाउट दिस वर्ल्ड कप आल्सो. अगर आप 2026 T20 वर्ल्ड कप भी देखें तो ऐसा कौन सा फास्ट बॉलिंग यूनिट था which looked like evolving? South Africa for a significant period, yes.
Yeah.
But एक मैच में ईडन में उनको प्रेशर में डाला and they crumbled. Their lengths were all over the place. मतलब फिन एलन को फुलर बॉल्स कर रहे हैं, चेंज ऑफ पेस नहीं था, बैक ऑफ द लेंथ बॉल्स नहीं थी, जिनकी स्ट्रेंथ, एवरीथिंग वाज हेवाय इन दैट मैच.
ये चीज ना तुम्हारा मुझे पसंद नहीं आता टीचर साहब. ये चीज तुम्हारा बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता मुझे. ठीक है, तुम इतना क्रिटिकल हो एक टीम को लेकर, थोड़ा सोचो, थोड़ा एम्पैथी रखो तुम.
नहीं, मैं वो नहीं कह रहा. मैं
रुक जा मुझे खत्म करने दो. तुम देख लो कि यार अगर एक टीम एक वेन्यू पे खेल रही है जहाँ पे ग्राउंड साइज बहुत बड़ा है, एंड कंडीशंस अलग हैं, आप यू प्लेड देयर फॉर 3 weeks, अचानक यू कम टू अ न्यू ग्राउंड वेयर इट्स अ हाई प्रेशर गेम. ठीक है, आप डिफेंड कर रहे हो एक हेल्दी टोटल को, और आपको पता है कि इस वेन्यू में डिफेंड करना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल है. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव 2 people who are batting like a dream at this point in time for their team. तुम कैसे उनको क्रिटिसाइज कर सकते हो?
मैं उनको क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं ग्लोबली दे आर द बेस्ट बॉलिंग यूनिट. वो भी मार खा सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक द पीक ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो हम कह रहे हैं कि किसी भी सिचुएशन में उनके पास एवोल्यूशन का स्कोप है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो कुछ भी कर देती थी किसी दिन भी. तो हम अगर इंडिया में जसप्रीत बुमराह को बाहर भी रखते हैं फॉर दैट मैटर, और कौन सा ऐसा ग्लोबल बॉलिंग यूनिट है विच इवन कम्स क्लोज ऑल्सो टू दैट लेवल, जो हम लेवल में भी जो आपने 2007 में फेस किया. 2007 वर्ल्ड कप उठा के देख लेते हैं, T20 वर्ल्ड कप भी आप देख लें, या इवन ODI वर्ल्ड कप भी आप देख लें. The kind of bowling attacks that we had, 2011 bowling attacks we had. Do we have that kind of?
But does it not go back to what we were discussing earlier, right? 2007, 8, 9, 10 तक जो fast bowlers थे, वो कौन से format खेल के यहाँ तक आए थे? They had to ruggedify, ना? They had to ruggedify, right? Again, nothing wrong, don't get me wrong, लेकिन बहुत मैं मानता हूँ बहुत young युवा fast bowlers जो हट्टे कट्टे far more gym aware than many fast bowlers were 15 years ago. इनका लक्ष्य क्या है? आईपीएल में 4 ओवर मिल गए तो हो गया ना काम. Mayank Yadav, the world was going mad. 12.3 overs and he was finished. 12.3 overs. Are you
Yes.
aspiring to just bowl 12 overs? इस देश में talent की कमी नहीं है. I've gone hoarse saying this on other shows. Talent है, गली गली में जाओ आपको fast bowlers मिलेगा. इनका target क्या है? Why are they all breaking down? चाहे मयंक यादव हो या मोहसिन खान हो या मुकेश चौधरी. There was one more. He used to play for LSG. Why do I get the impression कि इनको बस 4 ओवर तेज डालने हैं और खत्म हो गया मामला? I don't know.
मतलब मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि
it's become थोड़ा सा वैसा हो गया है. पर मैं मयंक यादव को like कभी कभार ना and I said this about KL Rahul also कि KL Rahul को injuries मतलब these weird freak injuries क्यों होते थे
Yeah.
पहले. और मैं ये चीज़ KL को भी बोला था कि यार मुझे लगता है कि and he was a little bit scrawny that time, थोड़ा बहुत lean था बहुत. तो I said मुझे लगता है कि तुम you're generating more power than your body can handle, which is why your body is breaking down. So you need to look at becoming stronger, right? I think Mayank has the same issue. अगर Mayank Yadav, I think his body is generating a lot more force than his body can sustain. इसीलिए injuries हो रही हैं. तो वो long drawn process है. ये पैट कमिंस के साथ भी हुआ था जब वो 17 साल का था, जब वो पहले खेला था ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए. तो उसके बाद स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर के बाद स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर के बाद स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर एंड बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ है. एंड कुछ और हो गया था बीच में. सो नो वन एवर थॉट, उसने खुद सोचा नहीं था कि यार वो वापस ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए खेलेगा, पर वो वापस
6 years नहीं?
At the age
6 years.
24
रांची 2017.
Wow.
24 हाँ, तो वो वापस आया, उसके बाद कैप्टन बना, फिर one of the best bowlers in the world. So ये journeys होते हैं. पर as far as Mayank is concerned, मुझे लगता है कि यार he will get there. And I think today I have faith in the center of excellence simply because we have the likes of VVS Lakshman there. And I think there's a solid system
like-
that's put in place there.
Like, Robbie, coming back to the question, like अगर आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी देखें, after Mitchell Starc, after Cummins, after Hazelwood, do you see their next crop of bowling even 80% effective? मैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट की बात भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं इवन अगर आप वाइट बॉल की भी बात करूँ, you talk about England for that matter, they have struggled after Broad and Anderson. मतलब अगर हम जसप्रीत बुमराह की बात, तो डेफिनेटली ही इज अ मैसिव एसेट फॉर अस, बट ग्लोबल लेवल पे भी तो अब पाकिस्तान फॉर दैट मैटर आप देख लें, मतलब
Please, अगर मतलब how can we even discuss that topic? Because for me, I'm like, अगर हम टैलेंट के बारे में एक मतलब पाथवे है तो ठीक है, वहां पे मतलब कुछ भी होता है ब्रो. तो
बात में
मतलब
भी नहीं है वही
नहीं रहने दो, मतलब डिस्कस करना ही बेफजूल है. मतलब it's not even like it just doesn't make sense. But हमारे पास
that's what I'm
systems
saying
हैं,
कि-
pathways हैं. Like
Yeah.
someone like Akib Nabi today, you know कि यार उसको
Yes,
रेड बॉल
exactly.
क्रिकेट में थोड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाना चाहिए. He'll play India A quite a bit. मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा थिन है फास्ट बॉलिंग में, रेड बॉल क्रिकेट में. आई थिंक सिराज कितना ही वर्कलोड ले सकता है, right? Because Siraj is your workhorse, right?
Exactly.
And जब भी Bumrah's gotten injured and he's had to take the spearhead's mantle, he's done it with absolute panache. He's done it so well.
Exactly.
You know, so मेरे हिसाब से वो बहुत लोड ले रहा है. I think guys like Prasidh Krishna have to step up. You know, guys like Nitish Kumar Reddy have to step up. Great opportunity for guys like them to actually step up and say, okay, I want to be the third fast bowler, fourth fast bowler for India in the test in the red ball cricket.
So like globally we see a major dearth in talent as far as fast bowling is concerned. और अगर आप देखें तो इस टाइम पे globally the best cricketing system I think is with us.
I'd
अब
say
मतलब
India,
इस पे कोई
Australia,
डिबेट?
England.
हाँ, मतलब इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंग्लैंड तो चलो काफी सालों से रख ही रहे थे.
न्यूजीलैंड हम
We
लोग
are the
उनको
one who
क्रेडिट नहीं देते
upgraded.
हैं, पर but
हाँ,
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
We
Yes.
don't give them enough credit,
New
but
Zealand.
they're such a solid side.
Yeah,
बिना
it's
New Zealand.
their system is so clean, man, so good.
Exactly.
see. I
And
think
South Africa also because of their schooling.
schooling here, but I think again, it's these comparisons are often unfair, right? Like look at New Zealand. ये fact है कि न्यूजीलैंड में कम लोग हैं जितना के लोखंड वाला में रहते हैं. Okay, it's a fact. But
Exactly.
still, you know, I mean, look at Australia. It's just 6 domestic teams, right? अब मैथ्स मेरी बहुत थोड़ी वीक है, लेकिन अगर आपके पास 6 टीमें हैं, राइट, और हर स्क्वाड में 15 है, तो इज दैट 75 प्लेयर्स, राइट?
90.
Nine, sorry, nine. So if you made those 90, right, you're going to be of a good level. Then we get into the. I mean, I've been to Australia to cover a World Cup only once. Robin's been there way more. Inka sporting system is much more. Not just the beaches and all that natural stuff. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Sport is encouraged. So I think despite the obstacles we have in this great country of ours, the late awareness of gym training and diet and all this stuff, I think Indian cricket is doing a pretty good job, and it still becomes a flag. The IPL becomes everyone's punching bag. NCA used to be in bad shape. Now it's much better, not just because they shifted out of Bangalore, but there's a lot of good going, and I don't think we acknowledge. I'm not saying we, but the wider fan base, the media, does not acknowledge that despite the problems, the system has really gotten up there. Australia has a head start, but I think India has caught up, if not surpassed. New Zealand, I mean, I was once told when I was there by a very senior journalist, अगर आपने 10 साल न्यूजीलैंड डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट खेला है और आप एक बार भी इंटरनेशनल मैच नहीं खेले हो, तो आप लाइफ में फ्लॉप हो चुके हो, so but despite, like I said, all the challenges, and let's not even get into there, I think Indian cricket as a system, as an ecosystem, ने अपने आप को बहुत बहुत इम्प्रूव किया है, और एक हद तक the IPL should be getting a lot more credit, I think, than it does.
I think IPL gets enough credit. Yeah, I think
Um,
we don't feel like it gets enough credit because of
हाँ.
the amount of people speaking crap about it, right? If you actually, if you actually don't say anything about IPL negatively, you can only see the good that it's actually done.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
The onflow of so much talent traffic that is there in the country is simply because of the IPL.
Yeah.
Right? And I don't think people value that. And I think it's human nature, right? जहाँ पे volume है, value कम होता है. जहाँ पे volume नहीं है, तो value बहुत होता है. It's just human nature. It's the way we're built as human beings. So I
Nice.
think, I think जब मैं अभी ऐसे 20 करके आया हूँ, तो वहाँ पे मैं जो स्पोर्टिंग कल्चर देखता हूँ ना, दुनिया में कहीं पे भी नहीं देखा मैंने वैसे स्पोर्टिंग कल्चर. इनसेन, आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. और मैं कह रहा हूँ अगले 5 साल में South Africa will be one of the top teams in the world. And
They're already
they'll win World Cups.
one of the.
I'm telling you. Yeah, they are. But I'm saying वो लोग जीतेंगे World Cups वगैरह. You
हाँ, वो
see,
final hurdle.
वो final hurdle भी जीतेंगे, पार करेंगे. अलग
I think
अलग
दिखा
level
भी
का
because
talent है
ऐसे
वहाँ पे. अलग level
clearly
का talent.
because ऐसे 20 के बाद तो उनका जो मोमेंटम दिख रहा था इस वर्ल्ड कप में, दैट शोड आल्सो. और अगेन आफ्टर आईपीएल अगेन आई थिंक इट इज बिकमिंग द सेकंड बेस्ट लीग ग्लोबली एज फार एज
Easy.
ओवरऑल रीच की बात करें, सब कुछ करें, एंड द पेस एट विच इट इज ग्रोइंग, बिकॉज बीबीएल somehow has not been able to catch up with that much. वो थोड़ा
नहीं,
इवॉल्व
BBL
करने
का
की कोशिश कर
silo
रहे
है
हैं.
ना. It's built in a silo, तो
Yeah.
and they don't take care of their stakeholders well. Like when I say stakeholders,
Exactly.
players को जैसे वो देखभाल करते हैं, it's very ordinary. It's a very
Yeah.
Australian culture thing where you fend for yourself. तुम माँ के मैच खेलो, हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे टूर्नामेंट, तुझे आगे खेलना है तो खेल लो. जब हमारी लेवल की हॉस्पिटैलिटी मिल जाती है, प्रोफेशनल हॉस्पिटैलिटी मिल जाती है, तो वैसे वो अलग कल्चर है. जब तक वो कल्चर वो वहाँ पे चेंज नहीं होता ना, आई डोंट सी ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेट एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम अ लीग पर्सपेक्टिव इम्प्रूविंग. हमें अभी भी याद है यार, हम जब ट्रैवल करते थे वहाँ पे, वो लोग जब यहाँ पे ट्रैवल करते हैं, उनको बस लैंड होना है वहाँ से, गाड़ी से
बस.
हाँ, उनको बस बस में बैठना है, होटल चले जाना है. हमको वहाँ पे, हम जब लैंड होते हैं वहाँ पे, हमको किट बैग निकालने पड़ेंगे,
Mm.
जूते निकालने पड़ेंगे, क्लीन मतलब दिखाना पड़ेगा उनको कि यार जूते में मिट्टी विट्टी है, तो वो लेते भी नहीं है अंदर, अलाउ भी नहीं करते, तो डिस्पोज
अभी
कर
भी है।
देते हैं जूते वूते। हाँ 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 हाँ। तो वो सब यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दैट, दे विल ओपन योर बैग्स, दे विल चेक, देयर इज नो मतलब हॉस्पिटैलिटी की हिच भी नहीं है वहाँ पे, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट्स अ कंट्री दैट्स लिटरली बिल्ट लाइक इन अ साइलो, और वो लोग प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं उस कंट्री को,
Mm.
you know, and I can respect all of that, and that's fine, but it doesn't mean that you don't extend the basic kind of hospitality जो एक प्रोफेशनल टीम को मिलनी चाहिए, वो वहाँ पे नहीं मिलता।
I think 2020-21 BGT में भी बहुत questions आए थे where there was kind of
Brisbane
lot
ना?
of किसमें? ब्रिस्बेन में, हाँ
Brisbane में
exactly.
हुआ था शायद, हाँ yeah.
हाँ, तब भी काफी सारी ये चीजें
Yeah.
थी कि जो उनके क्वारंटीन रूल्स थे सबको लेके lot of सारी stories came out later on that how difficult it was to play that series,
Yeah.
considering it was not just the challenges on the field, off the field also it was a pretty taxing series, and that's why it's such a marquee series as far as
It
India's
should rank at the top as far as I'm concerned. Yeah.
Yes. So, on a closing note, एक चीज डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा कि we've tried to cover a lot of things today. काफी कुछ रखा, but एक final closing note from Jamie as well as from Robbie. Where do you see Indian cricket 5 years from now?
Another one day World Cup, one Olympic gold medal, one WTC one.
I would love for that last, more than anything else, I would love for that last WTC statement to come true. I'm slightly more pessimistic about that happening, but baki one day titles mein, I'm not comparing eras, but this is going to be a damn good next few years for the white ball team. Jasprit Bumrah wali baat again. जब तक हैं भाई इस बंदे को समझो, wrap him in cotton wool if you want to, but as long as he's around, enjoy it. And let's hope. I think the test team is going to get better. A few cracks here and there, और वो WTC वाली बात हो सकता है, but I'm way more confident about the white ball.
कर देगा, मैं बता रहा हूँ।
ये 27 मुश्किल है, 29 तो हो सकता है।
अरे 27 मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है,
27 तो
अगर
कुछ भी हो सकता है, हाँ।
यार क्रिकेट है भाई, कुछ भी हो
Correct,
सकता है।
correct.
9 test matches, you have to win like 7 or 8, I guess. वो थोड़ा
क्यों नहीं हो सकता क्या?
नहीं हो सकता है।
Yeah.
न्यूजीलैंड के 2 मैचेस,
मास्टर जी नहीं हो सकता क्या?
सोचना पड़ेगा। न्यूजीलैंड में 2 मैचेस
अरे
थोड़ा,
हो
और
सकता
बीजीटी 5-0 यार, 5-0 मतलब चल, लेट्स सी।
5-0 gives me more optimism than the New Zealand series because Australia के वो टीम नहीं आएगी अभी यहाँ पे, despite the spin problems we've talked about, उनकी टीम जो आएगी, I don't think it'll be as tough. But like Robin said, it's cricket, it goes both ways.
यार कुछ भी हो सकता है।
न्यूजीलैंड
यही तो
2-0
मजा है।
थोड़ा मुझे चैलेंजिंग लगता है कि या 1-0 या वो थोड़ा,
वो venues देख के,
Because-
I don't know the venues off the top of my head, वो क्या है venues,
because
but
I don't know how October and November would actually be there, because मैंने कभी टेस्ट क्रिकेट देखा नहीं है न्यूजीलैंड में अक्टूबर नवंबर।
early
Never
है,
heard.
it's early. But again, I think जो
वहाँ
fast
पे
bowlers हैं हमारे, if they all
early
stay,
summer।
हाँ,
हाँ, it's early
October
summer.
seems early for test cricket in New Zealand, but
पर मैंने कभी नहीं सुना, like I have never heard. मतलब last 30-35 years of my viewing मेरे को याद नहीं है कि कभी भी न्यूजीलैंड मैंने अक्टूबर नवंबर में टेस्ट देखे हूँ। Like not in the bestest of my memories if I remember. Because 90 में भी जब इंडिया गई थी, जो वो भी आई थिंक पाकिस्तान सीरीज के बाद ही गए थे, तो तब भी ऑब्वियसली वो जनवरी फरवरी टाइप सी होगा।
हाँ,
I
it's
don't
always
remember.
Jan Feb. I agree. उनका Boxing Day concept शायद होता नहीं है वहाँ पे. So my memories are also of Jan, mainly Jan. But who knows?
देखो कुछ भी हो सकता है मेरे हिसाब से।
सही है। And that's the best part with Robbie, because he's so optimistic about certain things. In fact, almost everything in life. So मैं पता है
होना
अपनी बीवी
चाहिए।
को exactly ये बोलता हूँ, जब 2 दिन मेरी कंटिन्यूसली रॉबिन से बात नहीं होती है, बिकॉज आई वर्क फ्रॉम होम, मेरा डिप्रेशन लेवल आना शुरू हो जाता है। सो आई मैसेज
पागल
हिम
है
आल्सो एट टाइम्स। अरे सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ मैं आई मैसेज यू आल्सो दिस कि भाई 5 मिनट बात ही कर ले, बिकॉज ही इज सो ओवर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स। तो तुम्हें लगता है नहीं यार,
Lovely
तुम भी
है।
गलत सोच रहे हो, लाइफ में कुछ तो अच्छा चल रहा है, बिकॉज ये बंदा बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है। So I messaged him also. आपको 2-3 बार मैंने मैसेज किया है कि कुछ मत करा करो, 5 मिनट बात कर लिया करो कभी जब भी. And because I don't know like how. And मैं और जारिद भी ये बात करते हैं कि like from where he gets so much of positivity about things and all. So वो
चलो चलो शो को बंद करो अभी.
अच्छी बात है. सही है.
Super, man.
तो let's see.
Jamie, thank you
But,
so much.
उम्मीद
It
करते
is
हैं.
so much
Thank
fun.
you, Robin. Thank you.
It is
Thank
so
you.
much fun
Likewise,
having you
man.
on the show. And
Pleasure,
And,
man. Really had fun. Thank you. Thank you, both
we
of
should
you.
do this more often, and you know,
Yes.
it's a lot of fun. And
Yeah.
I think as we move on, or as we go on in life, I think we will do a lot more work together with Combox, and we'll figure some stuff out. I think it'll be
Anytime, please. Honor.
brilliant.
Combox. The game lives on.